We are going to model the exercise number 1. We are just going to normal to the top plane and we choose rectangle by center and corner option. Choose the origin to define its location and draw a rectangle. Then choose the smart dimension option to give the measures to this rectangle. Let's suppose this side is of 105 units and this one is of 80 units. Now you will exit the sketch and you can see the maximum height of this part is 75 units. You will choose the feature, sketch and extrude boss or base command and give it protrusion of 75 units. Accept it. So you will have a solid block. Now go normal to this face to make some cutouts. Without dimensions, I am going to make the profile of these cutouts that I need. I will go horizontally, then downward, again horizontal, then inclined depression. I will incline up again, horizontal portion, and I will incline down. So this is a proposed sketch that I need to make cutout on this block. Now I will give dimension to these different measures. So this horizontal portion would have measure how much? 15. Very good. And this downward depression? Very good. Excellent. 17. Then you will define some relation. You will say this line and this line, they would be collinear. So if one line would go up, second would also. So they would be tied up. So you will say this is collinear relation. Similarly, you will say this point, select the point, press control and select other point. You will have some options of relationships. So say these 2 points are horizontal. So now they are tied up. If you will move one point, second one would go along with it. So you have defined some relation. So now choose smart dimension option again. What should be the distance between these 2 points? Very good, 45. Okay. What should be the distance of this measure? 15. What should be the distance between these 2 points? 42. Got it? And what should be the distance between this point and this side? It should be 18. Okay. Now what should be the distance from this point to this base? 12. So this is the color of the sketch. It has been turned from blue to black. It means this is now fully defined. No more measure is required. So sketch is fully defined now. So we need to remove this material above this sketch. So you need to make this sketch closed, and because outside there is no material available, so any type of lines you can draw to make this sketch closed. It would not have any effect to remove the material. So exit this sketch and now you have this sketch on this face. Choose this sketch, go in feature, extrude cut command and say through all. Accept it. You need to make a close sketch. If you don't want to take extra, now the question is why we have taken the extra material. You are not bound to draw the sketch to make it close apart from material, because it is cutout command. So where there is no material, there would be no effect of it. So if you don't want to make this sketch in this random style, you can make the lines as well. It would also remove the same material. But I was comfortable with random sketching, so I have choose that one. Sorry. So this was your sketch on the face, sketch, feature, extrude, cut, through all. It was not through all command, sketch, through all. So this is the first cutout command that we have executed. Now you can see in this isometric view, this is a tapered. I have flat face, so make it tapered first. Choose this plane, go normal to it and draw a sketch. Let's suppose sketch it would start from here and randomly it would go like this. So how much taper it should be? There is distance given. How much this distance is? 10. It means this one also would be, to have the symmetrical geometry, it would also be 10. Again we need to remove the material, and outside material you want to remove, so randomly I am going to make this sketch closed. So this sketch is available on this face. Now you need to make cutout, extrude cut up to the surface, and this surface I will choose that I need this cutout up to this surface. So you know you can see this is tapered cross section as you was expected in this isometric view. The last cutout that we need is this rectangular part. To make this cutout, just go normal to this face, sketch by center and corner. In the middle, choose this as the center of the rectangle and make a rectangle. Later on, choose smart dimension option and say how much this width should be, 30 units, and how much the depth from the center of the rectangle to one side, it should be 30 again. This measure is given here. So you have the sketch on this face. Now you need to make cutout. Choose sketch feature, extrude cutout, and you can again say up to the surface, and this time this surface you will choose. Accept it, and you can see this is your model that we want from this isometric projection. Later on you will save this part, file, save as, you will say exercise 1. Let's suppose save it on desktop. You need two things, your part in SolidWorks format. I have saved it as exercise number 1, you should save it as exercise number 1. Then you will convert it into drawing. What you will do, you will go in file and you will say make drawing from part. So there would be an option of size of sheets available. You will choose of your choice. Let's suppose A4 landscape. You will have this sheet. You will edit this table as per your convenience. Just like in your manual drawings, there was an option of your name, registration number, exercise number, your class, your scale, your department, university, etc. You will make this table as per your choice, and then you will save this template. Once you will edit this table, every time you should not edit this table. You should save your template, and every time you should open that template. So then you will go in drawing option and you will say insert 3 standard views of exercise number 1. Accept it. You will have these 3 standard views: front view, side view, and top view. Then you will say go in annotations and you will say model items, and you say I need all symbols, all dimensions. Accept it. So automatically your dimensions would be imported from your model. If 2 dimensions they are going to repeat more than one time, they are there on different views, you can delete them, you can remove them. Then you will have isometric view as well. Here different views are available: top view, front view, left, right, back, bottom, isometric, dimetric, trimetric, and current view. So you will choose any one that you are interested, drag and drop that view here on the sheet, and you can convert it into solid as well from here. Display style, it is wireframe, it is hidden lines, it is hidden lines removed, it is your shaded with edges, it is your shaded. So you can choose any one. So on your drawing sheet, what I expect, there should be an isometric view model, and there should be 3 standard views: front view, side view and top view with proper dimension. This sheet you will save and you will get it print out. So you will have every time with you a folder that would contain the work that we have completed. Mean to say, next time once you will come in this class, you will have your folder with these 4 exercises. So both in soft and hard form you will update yourself. So this is exercise number 1.